In this gas law problem, we have a closed container, and we have a pressure that's increased from 11 to 12.2 atmospheres. So we have this increase, we have a change, we know it's going to be the combined gas law. We also have an original temperature in Celsius, and we want to know what the final temperature is. So since it's a closed container, the volume, that's not going to change. We can just ignore the volume there and have P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. But we do need to change the temperature to Kelvin by adding 273.15 to the Celsius, like this. It's almost always best to work in Kelvin here. So now we have our P1, P2, we have our T1, and we're trying to find that final temperature, T2. Let's plug the numbers in. So before we do the math, let's predict what might happen. We've increased the pressure. So if you increase the pressure, what might happen to the temperature? Let's try to visualize that. So we have a closed container here, and we have some atoms or molecules. They're bouncing around. When they hit the side, that's what causes the pressure to increase. So anything that's going to make them hit the sides more will increase the pressure. As we heat it up, watch what happens. They start moving a lot faster, and the pressure goes up. Eventually, it's so much pressure that the lid blew off. Okay, let's go back. So increasing the pressure, that's going to cause the temperature to increase. If we do the math, I think I'll multiply both sides by T2. These will cancel out. Now I have T2 on the top. I could multiply both sides by this 98.15, but I'll need some more room here. Then that cancels out, and then I can divide both sides by 11 atmospheres. That cancels out. And over here we have atmospheres on the top and the bottom. That's gone. Let's get rid of all of this. That's kind of the long way to do it, but it works. So now I multiply the top, get that number, divide by the 11, and I'm left with Kelvin here. Since the atmospheres are gone, T2, that equals 331 Kelvin, since I have 3 significant digits here and here. That's it. This is Dr. B using the combined gas law to solve a problem where we have pressure increasing, trying to see what happens to the temperature. Thanks for watching.